Lecture 9, Mostus, page 120.
Musk and Asafoetida agree in producing a globus hystericus, spasms of the chest and palpitation. The former is best adapted to a full-fledged hysterical spasm with fainting or unconsciousness. The latter has more offensive discharges, and the globus is part of an extensive reverse peristalsis. Fainting has not been noted except in one case when the intensity of the pain caused it. Tympani is also well marked. Magnesia muriatica resembles the last remedy and also musk. Like other magnesia preparations, it affects the stomach and bowels and the nervous system. Thus, the carbonate and phosphate are indicated in neuralgia, especially in cases subject to repeated attacks by reason of nervous debility. The muriate, however, has been proved to be eminently useful in hysteria. Magnesia more another. Magnesia carbo, magnesia phos, neuralgia, they will do wonderful things. In one case, I have treated with magnesia carb. There was one wonderful improvement in facial neuralgia. He was getting very severe attacks. There was no improvement with other remedies. Only after giving magnesia carb, he got very good improvement. We observe prominent abdominal symptoms: nausea with accumulation of water in the mouth, liver enlarged, tongue large, flabby and yellow. She must hurry to stool, which is crumbly as if burnt, and as if to show a combination of abdominal and nervous symptoms. There are rumbling in the abdomen with dragging, gripping, cutting, tension, and then pain, as if the bowels were cut to pieces. Feeling of something rising into the throat like a ball, almost taking her breath. Relieved by erectations. Flatus collects in the stomach and abdomen, causing a reflex spasmodic symptoms through irritated nerves. This is still further confirmed by the following: attack of faintness during dinner, anxiety with nausea and pale face, trembling of the body, relieved by erectations, or again sudden heaviness on the chest during dinner, nausea, water in the mouth, heat mounting to the face. It seems as if erectations or vomiting would relieve her. Illustrations of fancy have been observed. Very important is the headache, gripping and raging in the both temples, sensation as though she would become dizzy and lose consciousness, disappearing on pressing the head with both hands. Headache relieved by wrapping up the head. The menstrual flow is black, clotted, with pains in the back while walking and in the thighs when sitting. Uterine spasms with tension in the groins. Hail things in the broad ligaments. Cutting in the lower abdomen during menses. Cramps in the abdomen with pressure upon the rectum and genitals. Palpitation of the heart, not as in musk, as from anxious expectation, but nevertheless non-organic, or it comes on while sitting and on rising from a seat and disappears on moving about. ఇందాక లాస్ట్ కొత్త కేసు చూసాం కదా, ఇలాంటిదేగా. Palpitation of heart. This has been several times confirmed. Briefly, by way of a summary: Moschus excited, scolding, fainting, coldness, spasm of the glottis and lungs. Castoreum exhausted, pains better from pressure, menstrual colic with pallor and cold sweat. Naxomoschata, errors of perception, drowsy, faints, enormous tympani, oppression of the heart and throat, skin dry, cool. Valeriana, nerves irritated, cannot keep still, tearings, cramps, better while moving, taste of tallow or slime. Asafoetida, reverse peristalsis, rancid erectations, offensive flatus, tightness of the chest, checked discharges. Magnesia muriatica faints at dinner, relief from erections, head better from pressure and wrapping up, palpitation better on moving about, stools crumble. Moschus has been employed by allopathic physicians when in the course of pneumonia a purely nervous delirium obtains. The brain is violently excited and the patient talks nonsense with furious vivacity. We need remedies for just such cases, remedies which will calm the irritable, weak nerves and permit the disease to proceed in its normal course. The following may prove beneficial in diseases embraced by a condition of non-reaction from irritable weakness: musk, ambergris, asafoetida, valeriana, castoreum, coffea, scutellaria, Cypripedium, coca, ginkgum ox, china, camphor, agaricus and tarantula.